Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I will be showing you how you can jailbreak your iPhone 5s. So it will apply on other device also running on iOS 12 and later on. So let me show you which version of iOS I am running on my phone. So if I go to general, about, and as you can see it's running on iOS 12.4.2. So I will be doing this jailbreak with the same method I used for my iPhone 4s. So there are also many ways to do the jailbreaking process. So there are some kind of way which you can do without your desktop or laptop, but those things actually not that possible actually, because sometimes they doesn't work, also the wasting of time sometimes. So basically I'm going to use my PC to do that because it's reliable and it will do it, and there is no risk of breaking your device anything. So first of all, connect your device to your laptop, and you must have 3uTools, otherwise you can't do that because we are going to jailbreak our device using 3uTools. After connecting your device, if they ask you to trust the device, please trust it and open 3uTools. So as you can see, it's already connected and you can see my phone, and as you can see here, it's not jailbroken. And then what do you have to do? You have to go to the toolbox option, and if you click on jailbreak, they will show you the possible method of jailbreaking your device. So there are three ways you can do that. One of them is uncover, which I am going to do today. Then there is check run 1N and Chimera. So this one actually little difficult, but it's amazing tool. This one is very amazing tool, but it's quite time consuming and quite difficult for the beginners, so you should not try this one. And there is another one which is which will not install Cydia, but you will install Cilio, but you have to install Cydia from Cilio, so it's one step more. So you will be using uncover to jailbreak our device. First of all, just click on uncover and start jailbreak. Jailbreak failed. If say jailbreak failed, then just open, and if your phone is locked, just open it, because then try it again. Click on uncover and just start jailbreak, and it will do it. Wait a minute because it will not take time. Also, you must have internet access, otherwise you can do that. So if your phone is not in internet access, just connect it with Wi-Fi, because we have to trust our source to verify the app, otherwise it will not work. Also in this video I will be showing you how to unjailbreak your device using the same method. So as you can see, it's installing the uncover jailbreak tool in your phone. So don't let your phone to lock, because otherwise it will not work maybe. So as you can see, the uncover app is here, and what do you have to do? Go to the setting and general, and go to the device manager and trust the source, otherwise it will not work. Then after trusting the source, use the home button and come back and go to the uncover app and tap on first try without Wi-Fi. So I'm turning on my airplane mode and jailbreak. Let's see it will work or not. Because in my iPhone 4s, if you're going to jailbreak your device using phonics, then you must need to what it called, turn on airplane mode, otherwise it will not work. So I think this one also work with same method. So let's see how it will work. As you can see, it's just rebooting my device. I don't think it jailbreak my phone yet, because it might fail. It should take little more time to do that. So let's see. Hopefully it's done it. Let's see if there any app. So as you can see, there is no CDR, so we have to try again. Let's try the Wi-Fi. Uncover. Then yeah, Wi-Fi is connected. Jailbreak. Give it some time to do it. I need to show, I think, as you can see, it's just randomly booting my phone again and again. And disconnect. So as I said, yeah, we have to try again and again, and eventually it will work. But this is the simplest method available for this phone actually. So go to again uncover and try it again, because CDR isn't installed yet. I don't know why it's not jailbreaking, because I did it previously and I just unjailbroke my phone, because I have to use this phone for my bank and other apps. So I think this time it will work, because it's doing something. Yeah, disabling sandbox and other things. So you have to try 2-3 times to do it, and eventually it will work. Hopefully it will work this time. So if this one just shows this screen, just close it. Yeah, jailbreak is completed. You see, okay. Then it will reboot the device, I think. Actually, they show the app to download the CD app from the store, and it install the CD app store. So I think these things work like that. So if you want to do it this way or another way, there is also another tutorial available. You don't have to use your PC, but those are little time consuming, because Uncover app doesn't install sometimes. As you can see, my battery is. So let's see it's installed CD or not. Still it didn't appear, so let's try one more time. Jailbreak. I think this time it will complete the installation process. As you can see from last time it stopped on 20% and it didn't work. I think this time it will work, hopefully. So you have to do this always loud, then give it some time to finish. So the Uncover app work on iOS 11 to iOS 14.3. So if you have any phone which running on iOS 11 to 14.3, you can use same process to jailbreak your phone. It's either iPhone 5s, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, anything else. So it's if you have phone which running on iOS 11 to iOS 14.3, it will work. I think it's downloading the CD app. And as you can see, no error occurred. The device will now reboot into jailbroken state. So press OK. Let's see. Hopefully this time it jailbroken my device. Let's see, CDR is installed. Yes, as you can see, CDR is installed here. So it might take 2-3 times to install the CDR. After it, eventually it will work one time. So you have to try. And as you can see, CDR app store is working. So I'm not going to do that. So now if you have the phone and if you don't want jailbroken phone anymore, if you want to downgrade unjailbreak your phone, you should go to the Uncover app and go to the setting app. There is a setting option, then press the setting. Can't press the setting button. Yes, it's worked. So now you have to go. As you can see, there should be a way to uninstall the reinstall CDR, restore root FS. So you have to click this one, restore root FS, and done. It will. Then you have to go to the app. Like if you click this one, then you see you have to enable restore root file system will automatically update or block. Would you like to do that? Yes. And you have to, after doing that, after the done, go to done and then press and restore FS. It will jailbreak your device. So because I'm going to use this as a jailbroken device, and that's why I'm not doing that right now. So as you can see, the CDR app is installed here, and if you can't do that, please comment below. I will try to help. If you want the video in another method, I will do that too. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time.